guys a happy hump day! It is a little bit with a heavy heart that we're going to say goodbye to our friends, Stelly and Babe, tomorrow. I don't want to talk about it. I just can't talk about it right now. I don't know when I'll be able to. And Jameson, oh, he sure can't talk about it. He breaks down every time. Or they're gonna miss the Jubilee. But, they did stay for my birthday, so I guess I should be thankful. Okay, we're not turning this into a sad fest over here. Happy hump day! Oh, it seems I've lost my oomph for that. Oh, well, let's read the cartoon. Maybe that'll make me laugh. The puppy says, "At last, you and I are alone, my treasure. Come to me." And clearly, the puppy is talking about the trash can. Look at the finds in that one. There's watermelon and it looks like some sort of bone in there and cookies. Oh, definitely hit the jackpot on that one. Oh, so, well, who hasn't picked through the trash a time or two? It happens. Okay, I'm gonna go now before I say something that could get me in trouble. Usually I just do things to get me in trouble. But, talking about the trash, Mom might not think that's too funny. Anywho, okay, I'm gonna go now. So, I want to thank everyone for my birthday wishes. That was all very, very kind and thoughtful and sweet of everyone. So thank you. Bye, everybody. Have a happy hump day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Jameson, shut it off.